welcome back to my channel. Actually, you probably can't even see me. That's better. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Judy. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. And today, I'm going to be unboxing these 3 boxes from Lego! Not personally, I just made an order.
Yeah, your wish is sponsored.
Or
Okay.
at least they sent me a gift of some sort. Oh, they
Oh, there are
technically did.
gifts. Yeah.
Technically they did.
Yeah.
Let's start with the best. Or should I say the worst of them all. Okay, so this has lots of things. It has multiple sets that are in like little baggies, and it has the gifts. And by gifts, I mean the gifts that Lego sends you when you purchase a set and then they decide to give you free gifts, which is their kind of deal. So, it has all of that fun stuff in here. Now, first off, all 3 of the boxes went to like 3 to 5 different states before they arrived here in California. So, these 2 were supposed to arrive. This one, it was supposed to arrive 2 days ago, which it didn't. FedEx said it was delivered. We called FedEx. We called Lego. We did all that fun stuff, and it turned out that their driver delivered it to the wrong address at like 1 p.m., then only retrieved it at like 10 p.m. So it was supposed to arrive the next day, but it didn't. It was supposed to arrive around, 8 p.m. It didn't. So I checked, and I checked, and I checked. And then today around like 3, all 3 of them arrived, which was super weird. I just randomly checked the door for no reason, even though there was no knocking or anything. They were just there. And one of them was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived today, which I found kind of weird. Anyways, now that we have all that backstory covered and everything, let's open it up! Finally. I am being extra safe and careful. Okay. You see, my other hand is so far away from the blades of the scissors. You see this? Safety. You see this, YouTube? I'm being safe while my mother is watching me.
And the scissor is old and dull.
Okay. So, and then we have some of the extras, Lego extras. So we have this one. So this is one of them. It has lampposts and a lot of fun stuff, basically. So that's nice. And then the second one we have is this one, which is full of like sporting goods and stuff. That's kind of cute. And then we have this one, which is like a fun little pizza delivery service with some bicycles. I don't have any Lego bikes, so this is nice. We have traffic lights. And the last Lego extra is sea stuff. Sea accessories, as they put it on their website. Now, the first free gift that we have here is one that we were so close to missing because the next day they weren't selling it anymore.
Giving it away.
Yeah, giving it away anymore. Which is this limited edition ice skating rink, which is so cute. It comes with 2 minifigures, and I love it. And then the second one, which is the one I'm probably super excited about, as any Harry Potter fan would be, we have the Monster Book of Monsters! Yeah.
I thought we were supposed to get 3 gifts.
We were. We're supposed to get like a ski thing. Maybe it's in one of the other boxes?
That
Ooh.
is weird,
It
because
is.
they said they should.
So, we have the Monster Book of Monsters! I love it! This is gonna be an amazing build. My Lego corner so far. So, the second box. Also, these kind of like, since we found like better deals on the website because they were giving us free gifts based on our orders and stuff, we're returning the things, some of the sets that I haven't opened from my, from like Christmas, and also we're returning what we were supposed to get each other for Valentine's Day, which we both already knew because we literally were there at Target together. So, another one of our free gifts, which is this cute little Year of the Ox build. That's really cute. And our fourth free gift, yes, we have a lot of free gifts, which is this Lego Friends, this little Lego Friends flower and chocolates. I find it so cute. It's so cute. So, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so my Valentine's Day gift is this little Star Wars brickheads, which contains the Mandalorian and the child. And then my mom's first Valentine's Day gift
You're spoiling me.
is this Lego Super Mario kit, which she's been wanting since they released it. So I decided to finally get her it. Okay, other side. And her second gift is this little Tanooki Mario power-up. So, that's nice. Alrighty. Second box, out of here! And finally, we have the biggest box of them all, which contains a very special set, near and dear to my heart. Well, not really that near and dear, because I've never actually played with it, or built it yet, so. It's not that near and dear yet. Oh my god, why can't I cut today? Of course, the usual. And yeah, there's nothing else in here. And the Harry Potter clock tower, which if you watched my Christmas haul video for Christmas 2020, for 2020, you know I got this. But I couldn't get the free Monster Book of Monsters without getting another one, so sorry, Target.
Well, we found a better deal. That's what it is.
Yeah. So, do I have to apologize for that? No. Lego does.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Oh, it's not because of that. You did not get that because of that.
I know, but it's a possibility.
No, I doubt it.
It's a possibility. So here's everything I got. And I finally understand why they didn't just decide to put them all together in one box. First off, we made 2 orders. Secondly, we got a lot of stuff. We still have some things that need to come. We still have one of these little extra sets that needs to come. And I got a pick-a-brick. A little crazy with the pick-a-brick. Anyways, this is everything I've gotten, I've received in the mail so far that they've actually delivered to me. But yeah, I'm quite happy. Are you happy, Mom?
Yes, I am.
Good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alert when I post new videos, and comment down below if you're a Harry Potter, a Lego, a Star Wars, or a Super Mario fan, or if you celebrate Chinese New Year. Bye, and thanks for watching.
Go.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, you probably can't see me. It's
Yes,
so awkward. It's
It was cute. Okay, redo.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, actually you probably can't even see me. No. And today I'm going to be unboxing these 3 boxes. This one, and this one, and this one. But yeah, I'm quite happy. Are you happy, Mom?
Yes, I am.
Good.
I'm getting this for Valentine's. Oh, let me hug it. Oh, my baby. No, you're my baby. I love you because you're my baby. Give me this. No, he is not my baby. You are.
He was your baby before me.
No,
He's your twin.
He was born with me.
He's your twin.
He cannot be my baby. You're my baby.
I'm surprised by the amount of pieces in the set, though.
Yeah,
You'd expect more. It's just 231.
because they are large pieces.
Yeah, but still, I would expect more.
All right.
Alright, so, and comment down below on which one of these Lego sets are your favorite, or if you're a Lego fanatic, or a Super Mario, or a Harry Potter, or a Star Wars, or you celebrate Chinese New Year's fan. Wait, no.